No worries. So, Sumana?
I've got cards for your health. I
Yeah.
do think, but I'm a little bit confused with what's come out. So for the past, I have the Pentacles, Four of Pentacles. Present, I have Cups, Five of Cups, and the future there's Queen of Swords. Shadow card was King of Cups.
Okay.
So like I'm guessing like in the past there were a few areas where you did have a little bit of health issues, but not major health issues. It might have been small things that might have been making you feel maybe lethargic or a little like not in your full spirit,
Right.
like not being able to push as much as you usually do. And
Yes.
maybe that's what is kind of upsetting you, because you're not pushing yourself as much as you're used to, but you're not seeing the blessings that, the stuff that's working out.
Yeah, but Five of Cups, whenever you see cups, you can also say that there are a lot of emotional ups and downs, or probably a lot of hormonal issues. Hormonal issues also. So a lot of depression has come in, maybe because I'm going through menopause. So I
Okay.
get depressed
That's
very,
why the cups came in.
yeah. So that's a depression.
But then after that, I was Queen of Swords.
Yeah. So somewhere, see, whenever you get swords, Sonia, whenever you get swords, now future card में मुझे बता रहा है कि it is Queen of Swords. So Queen of Swords is what she's the person who's going to take the decision for herself, right? I have to decide now what I have to do, how I have to cut down. Sword. I have to cut down on many things. Probably the type of food I'm having, the type of diet I'm taking, the way I'm, managing my stress levels, how I am going to cut down on the things that are not working for me.
Mm-hmm.
So the queen is a decision maker, isn't she? So
Yeah.
things, see, the sword is lying in my hand. I am the one who will decide now what has to be cut down and how I have to be more vocal about my things. I have to tell my problems to the doctor or tell the problems to someone so that people listen to me and can give me guidance.
Mm-hmm.
So I need to speak it out. I need to voice it out. I need to cut down on certain things and move forward.
And I also feel like you'll overcome like all of this. It's just a phase, and it'll sort itself out in
what is the
time.
shadow
of King of Cups.
Okay, so King of Cups क्या बोल रहा है कि ठीक है, like emotional things, you are sitting in the middle of your emotions. You are in the midst of your hormonal imbalances and a lot of water retention. ये वो है. So it is the time now. These things will happen because you are going through that phase. So try to be happy in whatever situation you are.
Mm-hmm.
So king is कैसा है? King of Cups is sitting peacefully, ना आजू बाजू पानी है, सब कुछ है, but still he is sitting peacefully. So what he is doing, he is enjoying that phase. He's not complaining. Okay. So here somewhere you have to remember that कितना भी तुम voice out करो, कितना भी तुम cut down करो, emotional draining and all these hormonal issues, water retention, ये चलने वाला है. That is the guidance for me.